The EDUCAS WJEC specification asks us to apply Aquinas' natural law to the ethical issue of abortion. This is often a misunderstood area of the specification, and it is important that students understand that the purpose of an apply question is to prescribe an area of practical ethics so that the workings and function of natural law in practice can be demonstrated. The ethical issue of abortion involves questions about whether or not the act of terminating a pregnancy is the destruction of a human life. There is a commandment in divine law from Exodus that instructs us we should not kill. The primary precepts instruct us that we should preserve life and reproduce, and so it seems that to perform an abortion is wrong if the cellular material within the womb constitutes a human life, or maybe even a potential human life. However, we also must balance this with our duty to preserve the life and reproductive capacity of a woman, as well as any duty we have to uphold the other precepts, none of which may be broken or frustrated. It is tempting when debating the issue of abortion for us to look at the reasons for or potential consequences of aborting or not aborting. For example, if the woman has been raped, is carrying a fetus with a significant defect, or simply does not want to be pregnant. However, we must exercise caution because these can lead us down a teleological or consequentialist road, whilst natural law is more deontological. If abortion is wrong, then it does not matter too much what the consequences are. What matters is the action itself. Potentially, when we look at the plight of the woman, the infringement to her rights, or even the suffering that continuing with a pregnancy might lead to, we could be persuaded to believe that an abortion is right. However, this is an apparent good. It seems good, but it leads us all away from our telos, to do good and avoid evil, to achieve fellowship with God. The real good in this situation is to ensure that we uphold the primary precepts, and to do this we should establish if the pregnancy constitutes a human life. If it is, then to abort frustrates the precept that forbids killing, and therefore it is wrong.